Chingak chingia na indo mwanchi umurigererie kerokoro kwegena kwane na kwabero kwego kya kubwatia meroberio ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusi ne kero charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabona mugoroba chinga kingo kwargania SMS Amayia manyumuna nara yaya na kwarganiria senchera ere yobwenge ne kero troche abaraya nene kurwa serikali bagenderete gotogya kegima emegose emeremo y'abanyanyimbo anene yoko enekia omurembe obere gokorokana chinga kyokorobekana kwa bagokora riwa gokorekana se chinsemo au ase amatukatato kurwa ritko rya Jumatano goika ritko rya lero nigo bagenderere gotoya emeremo y'abanyanyimbo nakobaboria kugendera n'umukyo yoyo iri kwenekia omurembe obere gokorekana ime yense ya Kenya gokwargania SMS Amayia manyina kwarganiria senchirere yobwenge nyora nabakwendera gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter nabogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News iri togendera sanga nabo igo kwemanyia amanke iri tariane Everlyne Osero tukubwatira nere Joshua Auta kwenekya wikira sensemo imanyiririo sanga na Ikomi erio. Bokwarianto ya chaka senchira ya bene kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira wase abarai au kanene kurwase serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira omochumbe o West Mugrango Steve Mugaka omwaziri w'ekisemi Canada nkwenye gati abande ababa wekirana ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Mutagara ase omoyega bwogo chengera lituko lya masomo gose education day okwana chinga kyechoni go ankwenyi abagakogania abayiboli bonsi gosira aborokiwa nane sira chiskuru chonskuru se kaunti ya Nyamira nenche moyogo kinya ebirenko byekisemi asensemo yaye omo jumbo West Mugrango Steve Mugaka nigateba buna ABCA kubwaterane serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira asobwagare nigo begetemero bire isaine yogosira ebirengo byekisemi ase kaunti ya Nyamira kinga kechibayigo nabagakogikeria okorobekana okorobere nensemi kwamerire serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya okwata ebire buna nigere mamincha nerichiko na nigo ego trubania emeroberio yaba Kenya.
Sometimes I sympathize some of people. We take our children to run in Western Province. We take about 7 kilometers to reach those schools. Yet we have good schools around here that have good teachers who are qualified, very committed teachers who make sacrifices. So let us bring our children here, and that is the only way we can support the school administration.
Wacha wa mama wafanye biashara zao wao ni chinchugu chiabo mwaigu otoko bori gugaga nganturi gwa kanabisi nga ichikorwa na bana na baito bako baso sinini umwana kwa masasi nebiri rutogochi bari batagete okora manda mano ase West Mugrango bawocha tubapangire tubaba askari batutebinga ngayokorwa ngayobokorera.
No muyegabano agendrete asensemeyo asomorikyo itkorwa se kaunti ya Nyamira job mangi agendrete gotubwatira na nigarach gotumanyia asenchira ere yobwekranu ase amangana maya alebosio tokotena nayo nigo muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendrete kwegerera ogwakana kwebango askeromo Kenya askeria tebire na yonerenchera yoka irareta monchiriro na magendro imeyense ya Kenya okwana ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Mugoiri imeye kaunti ya Muranga Ruto nigatogia abarai bonsi asemere mimi ya bagenderete gukora asene kyabuna serikali nigo yerwete asoko bwatrana nabayigo gosirana kwenekia obokoreri obuya ase abananchi bayigo natebona nigo barengete koronge ya nenensemo yobo chanu kwenekia buno bokoreri obuya bwaberi bogwikera abananchi ase akwanera omurobero ONHF natana nigo bago keria abantu anene abokonyora kwainse achibesa chirichi wakanerwa NHIF korwa chiringi chimisano wika chiringi chimisato.
Na ushuru inakusanywa kwa sababu hata kwa Biblia inakubaliwa kwamba nchi inaendeshwa na ushuru. Kwa hivyo mimi nawashukuru sana kwa kushirikiana pamoja na mimi, na mmenipatia viongozi wengi mashujaa ambao wanafanya kazi na mimi. Waziri Alice ananisaidia mambo ya maji, na hawa viongozi wengine wote wananisaidia katika hiyo kazi, kwa sababu tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba tunabadilisha Kenya. Vile vile ningependa kusema kwa kifupi, nimhakikishie my brother Irungu Kang'ata ya kwamba hiyo kazi anafanya ya health uko na support yetu 100%. Na hivi karibuni ile pesa mnalipa ya NHIF, sasa tunaenda bunge na tunataka kubadilisha sheria na tupangilishe mfumo ili tuhakikisha kwamba sisi wote tunabeba mzigo wa kutoshana na kila mtu kwa mambo yetu ya afya. Vile niliwaeleza, ile watu wa chini zaidi tutawapunguzia gharama ya NHIF kutoka shilingi 500 mnateremusha ikuje 300 hapo, na tunapanga saa hizi. Na sisi ambao tunapata mshahara yetu iko juu kidogo, tutaongeza sisi tulipe kiwango ya juu kidogo, ndio tuhakikisha kwamba we can carry the majority of Kenya.
Okona chinga kiecho ni wamukonyi w'omurai wense Rigathi Gachagua bagakumotogia Ruto ase mirobere miyayo koreta obotoereru no namagendero ime yense ya Kenya niga bagakumochia barai korwa sensemo ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya askeri ataona nokogania kobetereria ase ogosoa ase serikali igentate biromna tiba gochia wanchira na kegima niga baganirie koganya obochori bw'umwaka w'echibu 2025 elio koboria ba Kenya kobachora ase oburayo bwo ribagaria gukora siasa chinyinge ase abaganirie korwa chinga kinyororo ochiase serikali ya Kenya kwanza gwikirania aria abwenerete nigo boigo abiriga gwakira mbia muno abo bisabu burendi kubwatikana no bokoreri obuya babeire bakorwa chinga kichokoreta obotoereru ekerokurubikana kwa birigo koeneki was chinsemo ao imense ya Kenya.
Your Excellency, the decisions that you have made that have been ably been implemented by those below you brings to an end the politics of blackmail in our country. The use of violence for leaders to force themselves into government. Your Excellency, the situation is now for everybody to know that the only route to government is only one: the ballot box. And that brings an end to that chapter, and we ask those people now to go back to the drawing board and prepare for the next general election in 2027. I want to say, Your Excellency, I want to encourage our officers in uniform, the gallant men and women who have lived up to their oath of office to protect life and property from criminals. We want to urge our officers to stay put and not to be bothered by unnecessary criticism. And if those people do not want the police on the streets, all they need to do is keep off the streets. Had they not come to the streets, our policemen would not have left the police.
Magega yo mabunge w'Embakasi Babo Wino wikiwa bosio bwekigambire kinene kya milimani nigo abono abwatokirwe ne cash beire chiringi chibu emiyemo ase omunachebi na Lucas Onyina abagagoteba buna obusaiti tibware ngororo boisaine ereko sigo kumerwa ekina ane yamagega ya Babo Wino kubekwa byara askeri yagotebekana buna nigo baganetie kubwatirana ase ogoturubani omureme mense ya Kenya ase kirenga yokoroberia amandamano aywararirie nobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya.
A holistic look at the said affidavit does not disclose compelling reason to warrant denial of bail or bond to the accused person's hearing. In the sum, for the foregoing reasons, I find that the notice of motion dated 20th of July 2023 is not merited for the reason that the prosecution has not established compelling reason to warrant denial of bail or bond to any of the accused persons hearing. What then remains for determination is the bail and bond terms, taking into consideration the nature of charge, presumption of innocence notwithstanding. I consider the following terms appropriate and reasonable. Each of the 7 accused persons is granted bond of Kenya shillings 200,000 with one surety of the same amount, with alternative cash bail of Kenya shillings 100,000 with one contact person. Orders accordingly, and that is the end of the ruling.
Nono nyamayaga ya babu wino ko bwato kwane cash bail yo nigo abakago tangwa na inde n'abanyanyimbo ase abawakili baye baba kugikerya ingane yo na tana no kogenda mamincha neri chikori yekegambiro ase babere bakwemurunganya na ne kumugania umunache bino monene Martha Koome oswagati elyo kugayana ingane yo.
Why should you rearrest somebody and whisk him away even before it's processed by the court? Mr. Okachi has witnessed that. It's a series of adoptions. I do not even think we advocates are safe. But we shall continue. We shall die on our feet and not on our knees.
And in fact, the most important thing that you need to understand is that they are even now trying to prevent advocates in court from executing their mandate. This is our place. This is our office. This is where we work. But cops are being allowed to come and intimidate even advocates in court. It is a very dark day, and I think that's why these backstops at the foot of Martha Koome, because she's the one who is in charge and to ensure that these courts are safe for everyone.
Nababwatani betsemyanene korwa sensemo ya West Pokot sekiombe ya Kenya National Union of Teachers nat bakorawa nomoriki wekiombe kya sensemo ya West Pokot Martin Sembelo nigo babere bakogikerya okorobekana okukorobere nensemo ikwamiria serikali ya Azimio askeri batairana nigo okorobekana okuogo goturubania emerobere ya masomo imeyense ya Kenya nigo mono batogire murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asemerobere abegete inse ya serikali ya yogosira ebirengo by'ekisemi mense ya Kenya anene ase okoina namabaga yemeremo ase aborokia chiribu emeronke 3 nakugania omurobero yogo cyakogendererwa ase kere bateire buna chiskuru chinyinge nigo kitabwati aborokia baisaine nigo nonya nabo baboririe obwamatobu yakoenekiwa egatie chinsemo chionsi mense ya Kenya nabo igo egatia barai nenjire moyo koreto obwamatobu ya obomo nabo igo amagendero no Morembe.
We want to condemn the demonstration that are being called by Azimio leaders in the entire country. Yes. We want a very peaceful country. We want this demonstration to stop completely. As an education sector, we have very much been affected by this particular demonstration. And this is not the right time actually to disturb the entire country because this is an academic term. We want our children to be in the classroom in a peaceful environment to give way for the young Kenyans to get a very good education. We want, as a brand, to say this way, that William Ruto's government, we want to thank the William Ruto administration and the government for employing 30,000 teachers. This is a record has never been breaked by any particular president, sitting president, former presidents, or any other president that have come forward before. We want to thank the administration, and we want to ask the Kenya Kwanza government to continue employing the teachers in this particular for quality education and actually to propel what you call the CPC and IES to higher levels.
Pia ningetaka kuomba viongozi wetu na wale majirani wetu tuweze kuishi ama tukae kwa amani, kwa sababu tukianza kuzozana watoto wetu ambao wanaenda shule wanakosa kwenda shule, na hata wakati wao kufunzwa hiyo syllabus hatutaweza kukava.
Omochumbe o Kilifi South Ken Chonga amonomonogeri bwebunge ye County Assembly ya Kilifi Teddy Mwambire nigo baikiwa bosio bwekegambero eryo gotegerera okonachwa kwa mamochabo ababera baigakorwa sumurengo Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigo babegetwe byara ase amamocho yogotebekana gusegeta chiburaburu gosegeta amandamano imeyense ya Kenya.
Then the court must then look at Article 20 and 21, whereby after recognizing the fundamental rights and that they exist, then the courts must start by acting in a way that wants to grant those rights rather than deny them. And this does not only include the court, it includes the police officers and other state officers. Yet, they come to this court and give you such an affidavit.
Na serikali ya kaunti ya Kajiado nigo yachakirie umuroberio bwokobara na baigo kotukaba kore mirimo ase kaunti yo muroberio yo korawa no mugavana bwe kaunti yo Joseph Olelengu nigo bateru na nigo rengete gokonya ase okumanya obumanyi bwakera omukore mirimo na kumanyanga yabwenete kobera kori emechando eyue goturubania obokoreri na monogo konya aso gwikirania obokoreri burubya ase kaunti ya Kajiado.
Tumechukua famu mashuhuri ya Institute of Human Resource Management kuhakikisha kwamba wamefanya audit katika mazingira yetu, kutambua shida zilizoko ili sisi kama uongozi tutatue hizo shida. Shida ni kwamba labda kuna wafanyikazi wengi katika sehemu moja na sehemu zingine zimeachwa. Tutahakikisha kwamba wafanyikazi wamewekwa kazini kulingana na mahitaji ya hiyo kazi.
Ni kuhakikisha namna na hali ya usimamizi wa rasilimali watu, hiring tunavyoweka, promotions, hayo yote, so that wale wote wanaotumikia hii county wanachungwa vilivyo.
Ekiombe kyobokoreri bwa barimu Teacher Service Commission TSC nigo barigirie njibose baumiranire n'ababwatani au bechsemi ase county ya Nandi baumirana sesemo ya Kapsabet munenchira ya moyo koriya gosego sange birengereryo igoro yogo kinya ebirengo bechsemi ase county ya Nandi nigo bakwanire emechando au yaberege koenekiwa asokwere na magega ebirengo bechsemi gatiabo okubora kwa barimu baisaine ase kira batebire buna ayo negati yali barache kurigerere mono eriyo kwenekia buna obo chisemi cyabere chinkorongeiwa ase ensemeyo asibayigo bakwanere igoro yogo kiniwa ebirogo kwa bakori emirimo gose kwa baorokia ase chiskuru au.
Among the issues which we have raised is about promotion, and we have raised our concern as a union, staffing, where some areas are overstaffed and others are understaffed. We have also had a good engagement on employment of teachers. We've noticed that in the past there has been interference of employment by our politician, and I believe after the stakeholders raised that issue, it is going to be sorted out and to be corrected up there.
Mwancho muligere naraina kwariganire tia SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chiabono mugoroba kurende SMS ya Amayia mone Chinsa isato no chikumira na nere Vincent Onyanja eyakumanyia ya munaenda mange asenchira ere yobwikiranu ekero barabe bakubwatira na nere Ndemo Stephen asensemeri chigosori ironera kumanyimna nara yagendrete ase chigosori gendra kubwatie meroberionsi ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemeri ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomutanda Twitter Ndizi TV News eriyo tosange naboigo kwemanyia amange kukubaneria oboligereri borobya asemerubiryo seriatriane Everlyne Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya wikira sensemwe imanyerero nera Bigalian Chama oyonekya buna chibicha neryogi chawikire asenchira yabeno boligereri borobya naboigo emagoroba erentoereru.
Ndizi TV yetengia wansu wo Gusii 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 yekogera tuko ekona yabeire na mbeye monki